Got a pickleball paddle from Honolulu Pickleball Company, and it's a sword and shield. All right, I'm gonna show you guys where it ships from. All right, try not to show you guys my info right there. Fremont, California. There's that address. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna pull out the paddle real quick. I was surprised they ship it in a bubble mailer, USPS priority. Kind of surprised about that. It comes in a sleeve. All right, the sleeve looks good. Got a QR code to their website, presumably. And yeah, let's get right into that. Gonna unzip that. Looks pretty nice. The case is nice. It's got some texture to it. It's not one of those just cheap plain neoprenes. Now, here's the paddle. All right, the paddle is here. It is. Let's see. Very gritty. Super gritty. I'm curious to see how long this lasts. It's pretty coarse, actually. 16 millimeter. I got that. Oh, I rubbed it in my dry skins on that already. Yeah, some people complain that the 5.5 handle is not really 5.5 because where the paddle throat goes to the handle is really wide. So it's like a little bit difficult to get two hands on it, depending on how big your hands are. Sword and shield on the sides. The top got nothing. And yeah, I would say this edge guard is not one I'd be worried about protecting. It looks very plain gray. Yeah, I mean, you got sword and shield on the side, J2K. Kevlar, of course, you know that's what the K stands for if you didn't know already. Approved, all that stuff right there. Designed, engineered in Hawaii. Took a long time to ship. I mean, I ordered this, I think last Friday. Yeah, it's Monday already. So it's been over a week, I think, to come here on the East Coast. Got a serial number right there. Yeah. Let me know if you guys like this. I didn't pick the red one because I thought the red one looked a little funky. It's like, decided to go with the blue because it looks like black, right? I already tried the J2K and it's a lot less poppy and powerful. Less powerful and poppy than my clone Yola Perseus 4, which has been the most powerful paddle I've tried so far. Only $45. Way more powerful than everything out there. But, this one's going to keep like every ball in, even if you swing harder. So that's a good thing.